In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your BMW CCC unit from your car. In this particular case I will be working on a 3 Series E90 series from 2006. The first thing you need to do is put your car to ignition, pull your handbrake so the car doesn't roll away from you, because you will need, being a manual, you will need to move the gear lever back into drive in order to clear room to pull the radio out. That's the first step. Ready?
Ready?
Can you see this?
Yes.
All the way over here? Basically, the only tools you need will be a Phillips head screwdriver and some plastic prying tools. You may want to start here in the corner and just gently pry this piece out little by little. Don't rush it, because you don't want to break this panel. And then slowly work your way out. And here we have it. You don't need to disconnect any wires from this panel. We only need to gain access to the climate control unit. Can you film in here where my finger is?
Yes.
Just go a little back and you can go in afterwards. To get the climate control panel out, just put your finger in behind this front piece and then gently see if you can pop it out. So just in behind this and pry it out. Now you will need to remove these plugs to get this way. Press in this little plastic tab and rotate. And the same for this one. And on this plug you have 2 tabs, one on each side. If you can just gently press them in and remove this. Put that aside. Now the next thing we need to do, same procedure to get this front panel off that covers the CCC unit. The finger in here in the corner and just gently see if you can pop it out. It may take some time, but just slow and steady. And you have a metal rod here in the middle that you will need to get out. There we go. And the last one, it's these metal tabs we are trying to get loose. So put this one aside, and now we have 4 screws here. Mine has been taken apart before, so I only have 3 left. But just remove these one by one. And there's the last one. Now you can gently pull the CCC unit out. And here you can see we need to make room for the radio. If you have a manual, same procedure, still pull the handbrake, but you may need to put the gear lever back into 2nd or 4th gear to make room. And now we just need to disconnect the wires back here Can you film up here? You have this little wire for a little fan that sits, just need to pull it straight up. And you have one here, there's a little tab on the side you need to press in order to get this out. You have limited room, so it's not that easy. There we go. And here you have an identical one, just in blue. So go ahead and remove that one as well. You have this big piece over here. You need to press up on this tab and grab this piece and just gently pull it backwards. And rotate it while you pull on the wires to get this plug out. There we go. And then this piece, just need to wiggle a little bit to get it out. And that was the last one. To take this little fan motor out, you take this little piece, just move it back just a little bit, because you have a tab right here. And then you need to rotate it a little bit to get this one out. And there you have it, the complete CC module removed, or CCC unit. That's it. Then move the car back into drive, and you can take the key out. And then, just in case, because I need to be driving this car, we need to reconnect the climate control module or panel. So just backwards put it in, rotate this little tab, and then it's back in place. It's fighting me a little bit here on the left side. There we go. And then you can just slowly press this in. You can feel when the tabs go in where they're supposed to be. And slowly press it in. And there we have it. That's it.